taste like melanin, melanin, melanin. Melanin, melanin, melanin.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all have not seen me in a minute. I've been MIA for months. I'm sorry y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna give y'all an update in another video. But today's video is gonna be about me setting up a home YouTube area in my room, because if y'all see from my channel, I was a daily vlogger. So whenever I went out to events or chilling or to the gym, I would vlog. Never did sit down videos. But since we're in quarantine, just gotta start doing some sit down videos. I'm trying to get back into YouTube, so I'm gonna do a area in my room for YouTube. So come along with me. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure y'all subscribe, click the notification bell, and that's it. Come on y'all. So as y'all can see, I got a whole mess, and like this is from like all my packages that I just have sitting here because I don't know, I'll get into details in another video why I didn't set up earlier, but I'm about to set up. So watch me work my magic, okay? So I already bought a stand, so that's what the camera's on now, and a whole mess of like my school notes and stuff, so I need to figure this out. Judge me for my mess, okay? Don't judge me. My room is clean. It's just... Okay y'all, so these are my lights. I got everything from Amazon. I think because my room is not as big, like I have a full-size bed and everything, I think I'm only gonna need maybe one light, but I have two. So I'm gonna see if like I need two or one. If I only need one, I'm probably gonna send one to St. Vincent, so when I'm there I could do videos. So that's the plan I think I'm gonna work with. So I got my lights from Newer. I don't know if y'all can see that, it's probably backwards, but I got lights from Newer. I did a lot of research before I got these lights, and they were a really good price at the time. This was before, like right when Corona started. So now everything on Amazon done went up. But I'm gonna tag everything below. I'm tired already, so I don't know if I want to set up my lights. I'm probably not gonna set them up. I'll set them up last. These are my ankle weights. They heavy. I haven't worked out, y'all. I'm gonna try to do some workouts today because sis is losing the booty's looking like it's going away. I'm not feeling that. The arms is getting a little smaller. I'm not feeling that. So I'm about to set up my backdrop stand. I've never set one of these up, so I hope they're not giving me issues. We're gonna figure this out. Okay. be honest with y'all, this thing looking flimsy and I'm nervous. Help me. Okay. Okay, so y'all, I put up on my Instagram page. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow your girl. Information is below. Go follow me, okay? So I put up on my Instagram what backdrop color should I start with, and everybody voted for pink. So I had pink and this color, but everybody chose pink. Y'all see how short I am? Okay, so y'all, I got my backdrop up. It's mad work, but I got it up. I know my parents probably gonna be like, what the f are you doing? Like, what? But, let's see. Squirm. So now I gotta get right now. I almost dropped my camera, but the setup is looking cute. I just need to bring it more in, and then the light comes right here. Y'all gotta tell me how this looks. Like, I like it, and it's easy to like. So let me tell y'all. Sorry I keep readjusting myself, but I'm gonna let you know right now, if you got nipple piercings and you know you're wearing a certain bra, you might get caught up, so you know you get nervous, like, don't do it. That's how I'm feeling right now. But I'm liking the light. It's one I think is enough. Like, y'all gotta tell me how it looks, and I'm feeling it. Like, I feel like I'm kind of close, but I don't know. We shall see. But I think it's a good start. It definitely has like my whole room. I still have space. Like, I don't take up no space. So tell me how it looks color wise. Is it good? Comment below. And I'm gonna show you. Okay, like I was saying, I had to go get Nadia because she fell asleep. So this is probably gonna be the end of the video. But tell me how y'all like my setup. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks, you know, facing the opposite way. But comment below, let me know how y'all like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Okay, y'all, excuse my mess on the floor, but this is the light I got, and I put it right underneath where my camera's gonna go, and lower that a little bit. Yeah, it's under right where the camera's gonna go, and then my backdrop. So yep, it doesn't take up much space in my room, as you could see. So I'm happy that I got it, and hopefully, you know, hopefully that means like I'm gonna have way more videos. I'm gonna do a life update for sure to let y'all know what's been going on, why I've been MIA. I'm probably gonna do that one maybe tomorrow because Nala's asleep, as you can see. So I think I'm gonna do that one tomorrow, and that's it. So I'm happy to be back on YouTube with you guys, and I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'm gonna list everything below in case you want to do your own YouTube home setup. And it definitely was cheap at the time. Also, it's if you have like not a big space to use, this will be perfect. So laters.
Black queen with a nice black skin full of melanin.